disturbing backstories to them. I'm pretty sure Sleeping Beauty has a really disturbing backstory, too. Well, that's what makes them a fairy tale. They always teach a lesson. There's always a hidden lesson in everything. Ugh. But currently, I am reading the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles comics, and I am in my favorite villains arc right now. Dude, why am I sucking? They finally introduced Agent Bishop, and that is my favorite. He is such a good character. Dude, Blaze! I literally just watched the whole series. And that's why I'm obsessed with Agent Bishop. That was the best Shredder depiction they've done in any media. Besides comic media. What's up, Tyrion? The Shredder they have in the comic series is really good. But yeah, I'm upset. Agent Bishop is arguably my favorite villain. He just has a good story. What's up, Razor? How are you? Oh, really, Orange? Really? Orange Hat, how are you? Yeah, really. I love going to comic shops. Is Avatar a comic, or is it legit just a book? A book series? In the comic series, Orange Hat, Krang, Krang has a really good story in it too. Holy shit! I really enjoy comic books. I'm a massive nerd. That wasn't a trill. Those were triplets. A really good comic series that I really do suggest. Orange Hat, if you are ever interested in them. The Boys. That is one of the best comic series I have ever read. Yeah, the Boys is really good. In my opinion, it has... It has the best comic book villain ever created. Isn't Fire Force considered a prequel to Soul Eater? Don't they introduce death in it? Soul Eater's the only anime I watched fully through. Oh, man! Fuck yeah! Wait, they show... Wait. Basic FC, yeah, okay. Okay, Matt.